And welcome to the RNH Vlogs. I am your boy Ralph. So by the title of today, telling my wife, I hear noises, prank on wife. So like up this video, subscribe to the RNH Vlogs, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like it up, subscribe to the RNH Vlogs, and yes, I am back with another prank video. So yeah, the title today, telling my wife, I hear noises, prank on wife. Now, I may have did this a long time ago, but I'm bringing that back again. So like up this video, subscribe to the RNH Vlogs. If you're brand new, all you have to do is click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell. Click all. That's all you have to do. But with that being said, we're gonna wait until my wife comes home, and then the prank is gonna be on. So give this video a huge thumbs up, like and subscribe. But with that being said, I'm putting the video right here. So yeah, like this video up, subscribe to the RNH Vlogs. So as you know, my wife should be coming home, and this is gonna be a great prank on her, telling her that I hear noises. She's gonna tell me, oh, it's the fan. But I'm gonna tell her, no, I hear noises. I do. Oh man, it's gonna be a great prank. But like up this video, subscribe to the RNH Vlogs, and don't forget to subscribe to my new channel, A Day in a Life, with your boy, The Real King of Spades. So subscribe to my third channel if you haven't. I will put the link down in the description after this video. With that being said, we're gonna wait for my wife to come home. And if you haven't, go subscribe to my Patreon. I also will put the link down in the description after this video. My Patreon is only $20. There's some that are $25. And there's some that are like, maybe, I'll probably put like $15, maybe. But we'll see though. But yeah, go subscribe to my Patreon. I will put the link down in the description after this video, like I said. With that being said, we're gonna wait for my wife to come home. my wife is coming home right now, and the video setup, I'm gonna set up the video right there, the one I have right there. I don't know if you can see it, but you could, it's right there. So yeah, I got that. I'm gonna have the camera set up. It's gonna be a great prank. So don't forget to like up this video, subscribe to the RNH Vlogs. And I'm gonna put my second channel and my third channel down in the description. But like I said, subscribe to my third channel, A Day in a Life with me. You know, so go follow my third channel. It's A Day in a Life with the real King of Spades. So yeah, go follow that and subscribe to that. But with that being said, we're gonna wait for my wife to come home, and I'm gonna tell her, like, I hear noises. She's not gonna believe me, but it's gonna be a great night. So while we are waiting for my wife to come home, this prank is gonna be awesome. here waiting for my wife. My wife has no idea. But yeah, my wife just cleaned that couch. And all this stuff is back in the garage. You know, my wife had it cleaned, you know. So yeah. Other than that, it looks nice and clean. But yeah, don't forget to like up this video. Like I said, subscribe. My wife should be coming home right now. I don't care if this video takes long, but this prank is gonna keep going. So give this video a huge thumbs up, like and subscribe to the RNH Vlogs. With that being said, when my wife comes, I'm gonna say, I hear noises. Oh man. But yes, I am bringing that prank back again. Like I said, I may have did this a long time ago, but I'm bringing it back. this video go when my wife comes. That prank is gonna be amazing. So don't forget to like up this video, subscribe, like I said, to the RNH vlogs. We're still waiting for my wife to come right now. My wife should be coming home, and then I'm gonna get this prank going. Live already. He was crying like a little baby. I hear noises.
I don't hear anything.
Where is that noise coming from? Yes. I hear noises. I think it's coming from the wall. Because I hear noises. Well, I do. I hear noises. See? I like hear it again. Where's it coming from? Hold on. I keep hearing stuff. See? I hear it again. Huh? I hear noises. hear it?
No.
You sure?
I don't hear anything.
I don't know if it's coming from here, the
You're
walls.
hallucinating.
I'm not.
I don't hear anything.
Are you really sure? You don't hear anything. Are you really sure?
Sing Ready or a song and maybe it'll go away.
No.
You said you hear voices, so sing that song. Maybe it'll go away.
Babe. It's a prank. Alright, so the title of today, telling my wife I hear noises, prank on wife. We got my wife super good. Oh man. I was trying not to laugh, but you know, it's hard to keep not try to laugh. But don't forget to like up this video, subscribe to the RNH Vlogs. Subscribe to my beautiful wife's channel, Queen of Spades Vlogs. Subscribe to my second channel, The Real King of Spades Vlog Shorts. And subscribe to my third channel, A Day in a Life with your boy, The Real King of Spades. And I post Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. But until then, peace. And I will see you on Friday for another epic video. Peace.